Makate.
Irritation.
Flaky. Hassle.
Natural process.
Frustrating.
Itchy scalp.
Pagdating sa scalp issues, kanya-kanya rin tayo ng hula kung saan ba talaga ito nanggagaling.
It's a combination of stress and init.
Hygiene. And also, maybe sa weather or environment.
Having harmful chemicals on your scalp rin.
Dandruff comes from a fungi.
And if we're being honest, may mga moments talaga na medyo nakakahiya.
As a person na mahilig magsuot ng itim, nakakahiya siya kasi masyado siyang visible.
Yes, actually, sometimes I get to experience those moments and nakakababa ng confidence sa sarili.
Oo, nakakahiya siya or nakaka-conscious. Well, nakakahiya in the sense na kamot ka ng kamot in front of or in public.
I think kaya rin siya frustrating for me because it also affects like even when I choose which clothes to wear.
Bakit nga ba ay kinahihiya ng mga Pinoy ang scalp concerns tulad ng dandruff, hair fall, at oiliness? Common experiences naman ng mga ito. Pero para sa karamihan ng mga Pilipino, nangingibabaw ang hiya. Tinatago nila ito at ayaw nilang pag-usapan. But it's time to change your perspective on scalp concerns.
It's something na should be accepted by a lot of people but also be addressed as part of yung care mo for yourself.
Feeling ko hindi naman. Dapat talaga ikahiya. Kasi hindi rin naman ginusto din ng tao na magkaroon sila ng ganun. And may mga solutions naman for those kind of scalp issues na yan.
I think in dandruff and other scalp issues is something na hindi dapat ikahiya. I think it's natural na na-encounter ng everyone.
Because the truth is, scalp issues are part of real life. And if normal siyang mangyari, dapat normal din ang pag-aalaga dito. Shame stops where real care starts with Dove Dermasculpt.